Here are 5 ways your condo can make money this 2026. Hi, I'm Condoman PH. Number 1, rent it long term. Pinakasimpleng paraan, i-rent mo monthly. Stable tenants, steady monthly, walang hassle buwan-buwan. Number 2, short-term rentals or staycation. Pwede mo rin i-list sa Airbnb or staycation platforms. Mas mataas per night, pero make sure mo lang na dapat allowed ng building rules. Number 3, rent parking spaces. Kung may extra parking ka, pwede mo yung i-rent separately. Madaling passive income, hindi nakaka-apekto sa condo unit. Number 4, offer storage or workspace. Unused corners, pwede natin gawin yung co-working space or storage. People pay for convenience, kaya extra kita yan. Number 5, sublease with care. Subletting works kung allowed ang building. Make sure clear ang agreement at reliable ang tenants mo. Ikaw, ano sa 5 ang gusto mong subukan? Comment below. For more tips about sales, rentals, and passive income, follow Condoman PH.